natin ma-appreciate ang lahat ng pagbabagong ginagawa na ng Diyos sa buhay mo until bumalik ka dun sa lumang buhay mo. Until balikan mo yung dating pinupuntahan mo. Until marinig mo yung dating naririnig mo. Na hindi mo na-realize na unti-unting binago ng Lord yung language mo. Dati palamura ka, ngayon palamahal na. Pero the moment that you come back to where you used to go and hear what you used to hear, you will start to realize, oh my goodness, walang nagbago sa mga kaibigan ko. May nagbago sa buhay ko. May ginawa ang Diyos na hindi ko nakita. And I hope you realize that. Amen. That every time you go to church, this is not just an ordinary Sunday, not just an ordinary preaching. God is changing you through and through. He is changing your heart, and therefore, when God changes your heart, it changes your language, it changes your action, it changes your character, it changes who you are.